Well, this isn't exactly happy. I mean, you guys might find it happy. You might find it happy. But I read all the comments on all the YouTube videos. I'm not oblivious to them, even though I don't respond to all of them. And there's been a common theme showing up. Anytime I do a video with Sam, they're like, we want more Sam. Sam's the star. We need Sam. She's the real face behind the channel. And I don't know what to say. I don't know. I'm not going to ignore it. So this is the end. The channel will be deleted. It'll be changed to Samantha Walleen. The old videos will stay on. All future videos will be just her.
I went to my uncle's fly and fishing camp, Fairy Rock Wilderness Lake Camp.
There you go. All right, this is Sam's first time trying it on her own. I sent her with a GoPro, not too much camera gear. We kept it nice and basic, but be easy on her in the comments. This was her first try. I think she did really good. I think Nick did a great job editing it. And
thank you, Nick.
Sam flies solo. Here we go.
Sting in the same revolver. So, this is pretty weird. Today's the day Sam gets her pair of wings and she flies solo. I am at Perimeter Aviation, and as you can see, there's no Jay. There's no Jay. It's just Sam today and for the next 7 days. I am flying to my uncle's fly-in fishing cabin. It is called Fairy Rock Wilderness Camp. We are bringing in supplies. It's so hot, so hot. Oh, and I'm nervous to fly, but that's okay. We're gonna do it, and I'm so excited. And I'm shaking. Oh my goodness. We got Uncle Mark in the back of the truck. He's taping up all of our supplies. We'll see you on the plane.
Thank you. Bring up further.
Hi there. Alright, so we just landed in St. Teresa Point First Nation Reserve, and we're waiting for apparently some man named Al to come grab us, grab our bags, and take us to his float plane. Another flight, yay! I always wanted to attach GoPro.
You're landing, take some
True,
pictures.
yeah. Here we go, last flight. Wilderness Camp. I don't know if you can see it back there. It's back there. It looks way more majestic in real life. But that is Fairy Rock. I didn't film us landing because, you know, ain't easy being queasy, but we got here. It's so cool. It's so cool to actually see it. It's so cool to be able to help. This actually isn't just a fishing trip for me. It's not a vacation. We volunteered as our family to come up here and help my uncle out with his cabins and getting everything ready for fall. But today we're going fishing and I'm so excited. We're gonna catch big fish. Uncle Mark, this will be an absolute miracle if this turns into an actual vlog. If anything, we'll just have memories.
Memories are good.
Tina's mad at us because we sent the guide to go do it, and I said, well, we'll give him a good tip. And Uncle Mark says, yeah, here's your tip, don't hire your family. So we got Uncle Mark.
Hey.
We got Uncle Randy. That's the owner, Fairy Rock Wilderness Camp. We got Sam. We have the potential Sam cam. We're going fishing.
is time for
Sam Cam. Oh,
Yeah, baby.
ooh! Show the Sam Cam. Right up quick.
Sam Cam. Hey.
Ooh. Another one in a boat. We got one! Woohoo! It feels better!
Oh yeah.
Ooh. Open your stupid mouth. Stupid pike. Woohoo! Oh, little somersault there.
spin around.
Double header. Whoa! Did you see that? Ah! That was a top water strike for walleye. That's what I'm gonna call this video. Got him! Pretty little fish. Ah! It's humongous! It's just a giant. Nice little release into the grease. Whoa! Uncle Mark's got one too. Oh, I missed it. Come on, Sam. Do better. Oh. Ah!
White one here.
Oh!
And this one I'm gonna have to hold really close.
Oh, it's huge! It's huge. Randy's on. Oh. Wow! Oh! Almost, almost. Oh, the boat's gonna tip over. Ah!
There you go.
Here he is.
Big old pike.
Big old pike. Let's get a healthy release.
Healthy really?
Healthy release. He's tired. Oh,
I was just wearing mine.
there we go. So we're back from fishing. It was so fun. So fun. And it was so nice to just get up, get away. I think we went out for 2.5, maybe 3 hours or something. Caught a ton of walleye. I think I'm going to try and film a brief walleye filleting video. We'll see. I'm not very good at it. I'm pretty slow, but I'll show you what I do. I'll show you what my uncles do, and maybe you'll learn something, or maybe you'll just think we're dumb, but that is a-okay. But anyways, I'm just waiting for the boys to be back with our knives, and we will cut some fish for you. How does Jay do this? All right, I give up. I don't care what you can see. We did it. Anyways, I'm gonna go wash these off. Some backstory here. My Uncle Randy, who owns Fairy Rock Lake, that's Fairy Rock Wilderness Camp. Actually, his original camp was down the lake about 10 minutes through some narrows. Oh, I got one. Oh my goodness. Feels like little pike. Little pike. We did it. Sorry, before I got distracted. So yeah, my uncle's cabin was actually 10 minutes down the lake through a set of really shallow narrows that it's really hard to get through when the water's low, which it is now. Actually, this year, because of COVID and because of a slower year, he decided to pick up sticks and move his cabin, take them apart, move them down the lake 10 minutes onto their new spot. So that is actually why we're out here this week. It is to get these cabins functional so that they can be up and running and awesome for next year. And yeah, I'm so happy to be here. This is actually my first time ever visiting either one of these sites, so It's really nice to be here. Now there are really not very many places that I fish sans J. If you don't know French, that means without, but I miss him dearly. If this video even turns out to be a video, it will be entirely because of him and not because of this shoddy work over here. So we're a couple days in at the Fairy Rock Lake Wilderness Camp, mostly construction site at this point. You saw my Aunt Veronica and I hanging the pine between that and painting. And actually the first day, this was the big pile of pine and I hauled it all up with the help of my Aunt Tina to the top, and now we're hanging it. So that's basically what we've been working on. It was nice to go out fishing yesterday, but again, it's raining. Oh yeah, and tonight we're going to cook up those walleyes. So I will hopefully get some footage of that. And I know you're just getting little small snippets of my trip, but what can you do? Anyways, here we go. What you doing?
Putting up some solar panels.
Some solar panels are going up. Ronnie? What are you doing? Oh, plumbing's going in. Ceiling. Dinner is being cooked. I really didn't do anything. I stirred the potatoes once, but we got potatoes and onions. Brown beans. Cream corn. Over here, we got Tina building a beautiful sign. Welcome to Fairy Rock Wilderness Camp, established 1989. Beautiful. Over here, Lucy Luce, make your debut. Make your debut. Oh, good girl. Good girl, yes. How was your day, Uncle Mark?
Good.
Are you hungry?
I'm getting very hungry.
What would you like for dinner?
I think I'm gonna have fish tonight.
Yes! Excellent answer.
These fish were freshly cleaned by Samantha and Mark.
Samantha and Mark, and what's in the batter?
Mostly Bisquick.
Bisquick. Catch and cook, sold out, didn't bring any, not even for my family. I'm the worst. But the fish are cooking. Holy smoking cows.
Oh my goodness, Randy is the chef. Alright, that's probably all my whole supper.
Wow!
Are you gonna eat all that?
I don't know, maybe.
Plane's here. That's it. That's a wrap. We did a whole week. It was a work trip. It was a work trip, but we fit in a little fishing. We ate some fish. We had a great time. Anywho, we're getting on the plane. We're going home. We're gonna go see Jay. Bye, guys.